Welcome to creating bar charts in the Workbook editor. This video will focus on customizing the style of our bar chart to enhance its visual impact. Let's begin. We start the Style tab. Here we are given the option to change the orientation of the bar chart. Additionally, we can make adjustments to the bars, altering padding and radius, and rounding the edges if desired. Moving to the bar color section, we are able to select a single color, categorical color based on a dimension, or a gradient. To change from the default color, simply click on the box and select from the color picker. A powerful design feature in Astrato is conditional coloring, allowing easy application to both dimensions and measures. Finally, by clicking the plus sign next to the legend, we can add a legend and position it appropriately to complement the bar chart visualization. We can also hide the legend by clicking the minus. Next, we move to the Axis tab. Here we have complete control over the display and colors of the titles, labels, ticks, and lines. Additionally, if desired, we can add grid lines to the chart. Within the measure area, we have additional capabilities to add a default axis name and to adjust the range, such as the min and max of the axis. Thank you for watching. For more help, please visit help.astrato.io.